Hey guys, welcome back to Micho Makes. My name is Micho. I like to make stuff. Today we've got part number 32 of the Toyota Sprinter Trueno AE86 by DeAgostini. This is the 1/8 scale model. It's going to be huge, and I'm really looking forward to finishing this thing with you guys. But today we've got a part that is our final one that we have to really, I wouldn't say be concerned about, but just have to kind of deal with. I'm going to try to make this as short as possible and then just kind of blast through it. I'm not even going to give any kind of commentary other than let's take a look at the book together. But beyond that, let's just get it out the way. Okay, diving right into it. We've got our cover, another holder, and we've got our sets, and lo and behold, it's our last one. It is our last wheel. So if you're looking forward to that, again, we'll do it really quick. Let's look at the booklet real quick. Corolla FX. Usually in the States called the FX16. I believe it did have the 4AG in it too as well. Looks like it was in May of 1983. This was released too as well. Really cool little cars. These were different than the Starlets, I believe, but the FX16, look at that. It's a little kind of hot hatch, probably a VW kind of Jetta rivals. Really kind of, look at the 4AG in there, 4 seats, really cool. Obviously the really cool steering wheels too as well. Really cool car. I'm surprised they never really caught on as the kind of a hot hatch, at least in America. Probably maybe in Europe as much. I've never heard of the Alphard before, but it's like a part of Toyota's, I guess, minivan line. Alphard. This looks like it was like late 90s, early 2000s, it looks like. Look at the kind of, you can just tell by the steering wheel itself. Toyota, the way the Toyota does it. Obviously it sits, 6 people right there in captain's chair. It's really nice, actually. Really luxurious interior. The V6 3.0 4-cam VVTi engine. Probably really smooth. Sure you guys can see that too as well. Look at that all wood interior. Very luxurious. And lo and behold, same thing that we've done before. Wow, what's this part? So it looks like, let me take a look at this real quick. All right, though this actually part's just saying, hey, make sure you store the chassis and kind of make sure you're keeping this safe, because it looks like we're going to be putting this aside for a while. Totally fine, because I think we're going to be moving on to maybe other parts, but they want you to basically say, hey, put this aside, make sure it doesn't get damaged. We've got a lot of stuff doing, but let's go and get this tire built real quick. I might even just speed through it how I'm normally doing and just not talk, because you guys want to see me build another tire, just go watch the other videos. There you have it. Another tire done. This is the 4th tire that we've done, so we will not see this again. But yeah, that is really it. So Let's take a look and see what we got next time. Aha, look at that. Pretty nice piece. That is the fuel tank. If it looks like correct. Oh, actually, yeah, that's the fuel tank, but also the battery box, it looks like. This is where all the power is going to go to as well. So look forward to that. Nice little change of pace that we've had this time after having to do this again. So thanks very much. Really trying to make this a quick video. I know just for continuity's sake, I want to make sure that you can see every single part of this build, but I really do appreciate you guys sticking around. My name is Michio Makes. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Really helps the channel grow. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. We'll see you guys in part number 32. Again, this was part number 30. Sorry. We'll see you in part number 33. We'll be working on the fuel tank. It looks like the battery box too as well. But we'll see you there. Have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.